Hello guys, welcome to the next section, Ember Models and Ember Data. Now, we move on to the first video of this section that deals with using fixtures. Fixtures are another way of mocking data. It's static data that can be used in our model to display to the user when testing our application. In this video, we'll see some basics on how to set it up with Ember CLI Mirage. As with many of our other examples, we'll be using Ember CLI Mirage. Instead of using a factory, we'll set up fixture data. Let's begin by creating a new application. Then add the Ember CLI Mirage add-on and generate the model and routes for the application. Let's type in Ember install Ember CLI Mirage command. Next, we will type in Ember G model student name string age number command. After that, we will type in Ember G root index command. Then we will type in Ember G adapter application command. Finally, we will type in Ember G fixture students command. These commands will generate the basic structure of our app. In this application, fixture data will be used to display student information. For the sake of simplicity, we'll only be displaying this information and not manipulating it. In the Mirage Fixtures folder, we will update the students.js file and add the fixture data. Let's save this file. The fixture data has 4 records. Each record has a different student's name and age. To use fixture data with Ember CLI Mirage, you must enter it as an array of objects. Now, we will update the config.js file in the Mirage folder. Here, we will add these lines of code. This file is used to set the student's route. This will set up a mock server endpoint for Ember data to reach. By convention, Ember data will look for the URL path of the pluralized model name. In this example, our model will be student. Therefore, when Ember data looks for data, it will do a GET request to /students on the server. Next, we will go to Scenarios and open the default.js file. Here, we will add a new scenario for the fixture data. The load fixtures command will load the fixtures in memory so that they are available to the student's route. Earlier, we created the model file. Let's take a look at it first to make sure that everything is set up correctly. We will move to Apps, Models, and then open students.js file. The student model has 2 properties called name and age. Now, we will update index.js file under the root folder to return the student's model. We will replace these lines of code. We will open the application adapter and set it to the REST adapter. REST adapter will be used for all routes. It's a type of adapter that assumes the JSON data will be sent via XHR. Next, we will edit the index.hbs file under the templates folder. Here, we will replace the lines of code with this code snippet. This will display the model information. In this example, we use the each helper to iterate through all the records. Now, let's run Ember server using the Ember serve command. After the page loads, a list of the students' names and ages will be displayed. This data is retrieved from the fixture data that we set up earlier using our mock server. Fixtures are used when testing an application. It is well-known data and can be used for repeated tests. Ember CLI Mirage can be set up to use fixture data.